Hey y'all, hey, Nene Banks here. I missed y'all yesterday. Yeah, I was a little busy, but I'm back. Cleaning this kitchen. You know how you just can't take no more? Everything just was cluttered. I could not take it no more. I said, look, I don't even care what I look like on camera today. I just got to get this done, so I might as well get some content while doing it. Yeah, child. So yeah, I'm cleaning up the kitchen today. I have been feeling kind of down lately, going through some things, but still showing up. Yeah, got to get in these corners. Got to get everything out the corners and do the do. Because who likes clutter? Not me. It makes your mind cluttered. So I clean. Yes, I do. And in the meantime, in between time, how y'all been? I hope y'all doing good. Yeah. Like I said, I wasn't doing too good, but I'm back. And guys, please share my video because I'm not just cleaning for nothing. Share my video, like and subscribe, or just follow me. That'll do me nice. And like I said, I hope you guys are doing well. I really don't have too much to say. I'll do better tomorrow. I promise. So, thanks for watching my video, y'all. I'm gonna be out. Like I said, I've been going through a couple things, little emotions going on, but I'm still here. I ain't complaining. Hope y'all like the video, and I got much more for y'all. Much more. Don't forget to share, like, and follow me or subscribe or all the good stuff. Like the video, and I'm gonna be out. I really appreciate everyone who watches my videos, and you put some out, I'll watch yours. Each one teach one. Thank you for watching. Leave me a message at the end. All right, gotta go. Bye bye.